There's a big ass mountain we climbed coming down here. Crawled down it. It's called the Cabbage Patch. I think this is the right mountain, but we're getting close to it. This ain't it. That mountain right in front of us. There's a road going up that mountain. Well, that's not the right one. Oh, you know what? Actually, I think it is. I think that's the right one. It circles around. No, that's not the right mountain. It's farther up.